Hey, if you clicked on this video, it's because you are in the same situation I am right now. To make the long story short, this is my first time building a computer, and it was a challenge for me because I'm not a tech guy. I usually work on cars and do other stuff. So it's always a little bit scary to enter a new world. And I did it. I watched a YouTube video and I grabbed everything I needed, all the info, all the links, and I decided, yeah, I can do this. So I was very happy and very excited. And in a couple days, I became very stressed out and disappointed. So to make the long story short, everything began last year when I it was Black Friday and I started buying all the parts for my PC. I want to work now on stuff like text to speech, image generation, video generation with AI. I knew I needed a powerful computer, so I decided to go with AMD. I built my computer and I'm ready to work on AI. So after a couple hours, I understood that it looks like AMD um, or developers, they don't use AMD and they use Nvidia because of the CUDA cores. So I said, okay, it's easy. I sell my 7900 GRE and I buy an Nvidia graphics card. So this is February 20th of 2025. And okay, I'm happy. Let's buy the 5070 Ti or maybe a 5080. I don't have money for a 5090. So I'm sitting in the same spot here. And okay, let's go to Best Buy. I go to Best Buy. I don't see anything available. I go to MSI. I go to Micro Center. I go to Newegg and nothing is available. I go like, there's something wrong. It's my first time, but as a buyer, when I bought the motherboard, when I bought the CPU, everything was in stock. But now with the graphics card, I thought it was a problem with my computer. I go to my phone and I go to another computer, a laptop I have outside, and nothing works. So after researching, I saw a YouTube channel that has like notifications on when something is in stock, and I decided to use that. Then I see all the links coming up on what is available. And when I go to this website, let's say Best Buy, and I put the graphics card on my cart, then when I go to checkout, it's gone. I do the same with Amazon. Everything is gone. I got a new egg. I have the thing in my cart. I pay for it, and then it disappears. They give me the money back, and I didn't have any explanation for it. And then this YouTube channel, I started asking what was going on, and people was laughing at me like, are you new in this computer world? I said, yes, it's my first time building a computer. So they told me, oh, you have to know the scalpers. And that's the first time I hear this word, scalpers. And well, that day, the February 20th, I didn't get anything. I said, maybe they are restocking. We're getting more graphics card later. So the next day, I'm also checking using this YouTube channel for getting a graphics card. I cannot get anything. I start getting more and more frustrated, and that frustration gives you others idea like, since there are people scalping, why not buy from them? I don't want to wait. I don't know how many days I have to wait until they restock. It's okay to pay a little more. So I decided to look online in my Facebook marketplace, and I said, okay, if 5070 Ti is like 850, they're gonna sell it for $900 or maybe 950. I go to marketplace and I don't see any 5070 Ti for less than $1,500, $1,600. I go like, I cannot buy that. That's the price for a 5080. Then I go for a 5080. That's around $1,200. They sell it for $2,000, $2,200. And then I go like, how much is a 5090? They try to sell 5090s for $4,500. And I said, you know what? I'll wait for a couple weeks until everything normalizes. The new AMD graphic cards are coming, so maybe there's gonna be more restock on everything. So on March 5th, it was the launch of the 5070 non TI. I said today is gonna be the day. I'm gonna have my graphics card. I did the same thing. I sit on this same place 6 a.m. I use the same YouTube channel to get the notifications, and it was terrible. It was terrible because everyone in the chat, they took the 5090s, obviously some 5080s, but they were very very expensive graphic cards. I don't have money to spend. I mean, if my build is like $1,000, I'm gonna buy a $3,000 graphic card. So I was waiting for a 5070 Ti, between 750 to $900, and I got one on Best Buy, and I did it really quick. And when it was time to pay, Best Buy gave me something that's saying that I had to remove the extra item on my card, but I didn't have any extra item. So at the end of the day, it was 7 p.m. I spent all day, well, 2 days, sitting here and getting nothing. And I came to my conclusion that these scalpers are the worst and they have to stop. They must stop. I don't know if these stores, they don't care about scalpers, if it's better for them, because they could do, I don't know, the Best Buy, instead of going online, they could have stock in the store and we go and pick it up there, one item per ID. I don't know, to make it more difficult to scalpers to scam people, and that's what they do, and they are scamming people. And I wanted to make this video because it has been very frustrating for me. First time building a computer and having to go with this situation. I just want to buy a 5070 Ti. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to buy it. I'm I'm all the time sitting in front of the computer and trying to get one of these cards. It's frustrating. I just wanted to share this experience with you. I don't know if anyone that's building the computer for the first time is going through the same thing, or maybe you guys are experts that has been buying cards in the past. I know there was a 4060, 4080, 4090, and 30, and the 1000s. And I'm new at this. I don't know, but I don't know if everything was the same or it's the first time that we're facing this. If you want to give me any advice on how to get a car at least close to MSRP, because it's what I have to spend, let me know. Let me know in the description if you give me any advice. But that's what I wanted to explain, how frustrated and how unfair is this people scalping the graphics card. So thank you for watching. This is not the type of content I make on this channel. It's more car related. But since it's my first time doing this, I decided to share the experience. So that's it. Bye.